Hello everyone, Mr. Geislart here, and we're going to take a look at question number 9 on homework number 1. So in this question, the first thing it's asking us for is angle B. I know that there are 180 degrees in a triangle. So when you add up all of the angles in a triangle, it has to equal 180. This box means that that's 90 and that's 20, so I have a total of 110 degrees. When I subtract 110 from 180, that's going to give me 70 degrees. So that means that my angle B is 70 degrees. Now, the next thing it's asking for is AC. So I'm going to call that X. Well, if I label from angle A, which I'm given, my sides, this is the opposite, this is the hypotenuse, and this is the adjacent. So if I want to find X, that's the adjacent side, I'm given the opposite side. When I look at SOHCAHTOA, opposite and adjacent is tangent. So I'm going to have the tangent of 20 degrees is equal to the opposite side over the adjacent. I'm going to put that over 1, and when I cross multiply, I'm going to get X times the tangent of 20 is equal to 10. Then I divide by the tangent of 20. And I'm going to end up with X equals 27.47 when that is rounded. So that's going to be AC. Now, to find BA or AB, that's the hypotenuse. So I'm going to call that Y. Well, now I have opposite and hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse is sine. So we have the sine of 20 degrees is equal to the opposite side, which is 10, over the hypotenuse, which is y. Again, put that over 1, and when I cross multiply, I get y times the sine of 20 is equal to 10. Divide by the sine of 20, and we end up with y is equal to 29.24 when that's rounded to the nearest hundredth.